Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of bug bounty hunting program. Now let's talk about what are the popular bug bounty platforms. Bugcrowd, Zerocopter, HackerOne, Synac, Cobalt are the top 5 bug hunting platforms. And let me tell you something, that in the world of bug bounty hunting, Bugcrowd, this one, the Bugcrowd was the first platform that was introduced for the public. It has more than 37,000 researchers and hackers, and it has the largest ever security team. It offers managed, unmanaged, ongoing, time limited, public, and private bug bounties. And let's talk about HackerOne. HackerOne is a security inbox for many companies and a bug bounty platform, of course. The client handles the submission validating process, and around 3,700 researchers were thanked in the platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial.